Small business owner, deductions, they are your best friend. First off, I am not a CPA. I am not an accountant. So check with your accountant before you do anything. But speaking from experience as a professional business owner, deductions is what you want to keep track of and give to your accountant when it's tax season. What is a deduction? A deduction is a tool or a service that you use for your business. So for example, if you own a cleaning business and you bought a vacuum cleaner in the year 2024, when you do your taxes, that purchase of the vacuum cleaner, you will give that information to your accountant, and that is your deduction. So the more deductions you have, the better it is for you when it comes to tax season. What exactly can you deduct? Everything and anything that you use for your business. Now let's talk about cleaning businesses. A vacuum attachments, if you need extra brushes, if you need extra filters, all of those can be deducted. Whether you bought it on Amazon or in a vacuum shop, keep your receipt and log in those numbers so you have a running tally of how much you spent on your supplies. What you pay for your website, a domain name, what you pay for business cards, for logos, for uniforms, what you paid in stamps and envelopes to mail out flyers. Those are tax deductible. Cleaning products, sprays, cloths, uniforms that you wear for your cleaning business, aprons, sneakers that you use for your cleaning business, cleaning bags. When it comes to your vehicle, again, talk to your accountant, but you can either write off your mileage or how much you spent on gassing up your car. So those are two options that you need to discuss and figure it out. But again, keep track of everything. Hold on to your receipts and type in your numbers so you know what you spent for the year. Head over to my Etsy shop, etsy.com/shop/crunchy clean by Kathy. I have documents you can download and edit where you can log in all your numbers and keep track of your expenses and supplies. You can also deduct your expenses. You can deduct a percentage of your electric bill in your home because you need electricity to launder your cleaning cloths for your cleaning business. You need wireless to email clients. You can deduct a percentage of your cell phone data bill because you need your cell phone so you can text or email or call your clients. Keep track of those numbers, and again, give those numbers to your accountant and discuss with them what the percentages are. Your accountant will have that information. But those numbers can also be a deduction for your cleaning business. Everything and anything that helps your business run throughout the year can be a deduction. You can deduct what you paid in rental equipment that you used in your cleaning business. You can deduct maintenance charges to maintain your equipment. You can deduct any tolls or transportation fees. Like if you ride a bus that you need to get to your client, those can be deducted as well. The laundry detergent you use at home to launder your cleaning cloths can be deducted. What you paid at a laundromat to get your cleaning cloths washed can be deducted. Did you take a client out to lunch? That can be a deduction. Do you pay for any kind of software for your employees or to track expenses or any type of computer software for your business? That amount is a deduction. Did you go to any conferences? That's a deduction. Did you buy any books or any documents that helps your cleaning business? That's a deduction. Did you travel to any conferences? The airfare or the travel expense can be a deduction. If you pay for any kind of computer software programs or antivirus programs, those are deductions. If you pay for any kind of photo editing or video editing for your cleaning business, those are a deduction as well. Did you pay an accountant the year before to help with your taxes? Even that amount may be a tax deduction. The liability insurance that you pay for your cleaning business can be a tax deduction. If you bought your employees lunch during a training course, that amount is a tax deduction. So don't think of just the obvious things, like a vacuum cleaner is a tax deduction. Did you know that driving to the store to buy your cleaning supplies, that mileage may also be a tax deduction? So when it comes to mileage, again, talk to your accountant, but keep track of when you do go to a store to buy cleaning supplies. That can also be a tax deduction. There is a lot of things that you can write off for your small business. So again, go over to my Etsy, download my documents and forms, and keep track of everything that you spend money on for your business, because those will be tax deductions. I hope those tips help. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, and follow along on my Facebook page, my YouTube channel, Instagram, and TikTok, and on my website, crunchycleaningbyKathy.com.